Hey guys, welcome to Shin's TV channel, and I'm back with another video.
And it goes a little something like
So guys, I am back with another video. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the notification button beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload. Like this video, comment below, proof vibes only, and share with your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again, and I'm so happy that you're here. So let's get into it. I will be doing my part 3 of my makeup Amazon haul, or Amazon makeup haul, that for my beginner makeup artist kit that I'm building right now. All the products description will be in the description bar below, so you can check it out if you need to get it and whatever. I will not be swatching anything today, and everything that I have today is solely that I order. It is not yeah, I order everything myself. Yes, just a disclaimer. Okay, so let's get into it because I'm too excited. Oh, and it's also from Amazon and Walmart, so I'm gonna say makeup haul, makeup, Amazon and Walmart haul. So the first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and dip in and see what I have. All right, yeah, everything in this bag is from Amazon. So first thing I got sometimes the light is kind of bright in my eyes, so I can't really see that. So I got the MAC Poreless Normal to Oily Foundation by Maybelline Fit Me. It is in the shade 360 Mocha. So this is it. Yes. Me open, and it is full. Smells like Maybelline because I marked their smell, and it also has the top. And then we have the Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in 375 Java. And it's already sealed. It came sealed, so I'll have to break it to open it up and see how it looks. It's not cracked or nothing like that. It has a little cute mirror at the bottom, and it has the sponge, which is great. Next we have this is Fit Me Maybelline Matte Poreless 120 in Classic Ivory. This is for my light to fair skin ladies. And it came sealed, so I have to break the seal. I love how it came sealed. And the same thing, a mirror at the bottom, not cracked. Perfect. Okay, so we have the Maybelline Fit Me in 360 Truffle. It's the same one, seal and everything. And we have this one that did not come inside the package. It just came just like that. So this is the Porcelain 110 in the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Normal to Oily. It's for my very fair, light skinned woman. And then I have the Maybelline Master Primer by Face Studio Prime in Base. It's in the Pure Plus Pore Minimize. Yes. So this is how it is. It's very tiny that I thought. It is only 1.1 ounce basically. But I think it will last. But it kind of look, even though it says 1 ounce, it's like, it is creamy. I think it's full. but you can see it. Okay, we have this set. This is a 3-pack cleaner, compact size for travel. So this is basically the brush cleaner that you use. So these are the brush cleaners. So this is the brush like container, the compartment, and then these are 3. I think this is like 2 extra of the brush things. So let me open it up where you actually brush. Oh, I busted by this side. So it comes like this in the can, and then you just twist it off a little bit, and there it is, and you just brush it on there. And then you can, like when you're finished with it, you can take it out and replace. I think this is washable. Like just soak it in some warm water with soap, then let it air dry. So I think it's washable. So these 3 can last you for a little while until you think it's ready to throw them away. So excited, guys. Okay, so this is my Luxe Contour palette. So this is a powder contour palette. I love how it's packaged so neatly to protect it. Plus it's in a little box. So this is how it looks. And it has instruction on the back, and then you can just slide it out like that, and the same instruction again. It looks very pretty, very professional, and it's magnetic closed, and they have that little paper on it, and you got the mirror, and these are the colors, which are beautiful. So all the colors here, I think, is for every shade. So you have the light, the matte highlight. So you have a matte highlight, you have light contour for a light skinned woman, you have medium contour. So you got a light contour for light skin, medium contour for medium skin, and deep contour for deep skin women. Yeah, I think I would get it, and it's a great brand too. So the last thing in here is I don't need these. Is my You Can Be Cash candles. Candies. Oh, it's candies. So my You Can Splashy. My You Can Splashy candies. This is the next one. Came like that. A little marking right here, but I don't know where it's from. I don't think it's from the foundation. It is so freaking pretty, guys. It's like a little book, a nice little book. So let's open it. Wow. It came with this to cover it up. And they sent their little card, and oh my gosh, look at that. It is a beauty. So you can see like it's set where all the browns, the golds, all the blue and green and gold and hair, blues, all the purple and stuff, all the pink and whatever, and all the orange. I was expecting the palette, the little colors to be bigger, because they look bigger on the picture, which I will post right here. They really did look bigger, but I think it's very much worth it because a little goes a long way with a lot of stuff. And I'm not gonna really try swatch it right now. I'll do a palette swatch video. Now is the next set. Let me go in. Oh, this is from Walmart. So this, it's kind of still on me when I collected it because I was trying to like open it and look at it, so it looks tacky. But this is the Meron Makeup Skin Prep Pro. So this is a Skin Prep Pro for like no sweat. So if you have oily skin or sweaty skin, your makeup will not move at all. That's what they say. I've seen the reviews. So I bought this for my kit, and I also buying one for myself for when I want my makeup to stay. When I know I'm gonna be on the go, busy, yes, I'll do my prep with this for no sweat, no oil, just flat matte makeup all day. Next up, I'm not sure, okay, this is just a foundation in here. So this is a Fit Me 380. It's the espresso, and I got this from Amazon as well. Guys, this is a box of stuff that I got from Walmart, so let's dig in. So I bought the makeup remover cleansing towels from Equate Beauty. Okay, so it removes waterproof mascara, ultra soft cloths, alcohol and oil free. I think it's like 40 pieces in each. So there's like 40 pieces in this, 40 in this, and 40 in this. So in total it is 80 pieces. And I also bought the Pond's. I bought the Pond's formula, the Pond's dark spot correcting cream, even skin toning 2 to 4 weeks for normal to dry skin. I actually bought this for myself personally because I bought the Jergens all-purpose skin moisturizer for my prepping of super dry skin people, or just prepping the skin to moisturize it if it's a bit dry in certain areas, and it worked perfectly fine the last time I tried it, so I know it will work for most people. All I have to do is just use a small amount. But I also think I will be having just like a container with a little bit of this as well for prepping the skin as well for my clients, and then just keep the rest for myself. Okay, now I got these babies. So this is, let me open it up, and as you can see, it's spilled. You can see the spill in it, and this is definitely the hand sanitizer that spilled. So I bought a big old, yeah, definitely spilling. That's what I'm saying. Amazon, you need to do better. No, not Amazon, Walmart, you need to do better than this and see your things way better, because your things are getting spilled all over the place. So you can see the big old splash. I lost like just a little bit. It's not too much, but it could have been worse. So I think they need to seal your stuff way better. They put this little foolish seal, like this ain't gonna work. Use some duct tape and wrap around the products when you're sending them off, because this don't work, Walmart. It does not work. Anyways, it's all messy, like it's really messy, guys, but luckily it's just hand sanitizer, so I can sanitize my hand right now with the leftovers. So let's see how it works. It feels good. It feels moisturizing. It feels like hand sanitizer. Smells nice. Smells like hand sanitizer. Not too strong. Yeah. So this is the big old bottle of hand sanitizer. I bought this for the purpose of, you know, the time we're living in, sanitizing people as they come into my business, or when I travel, I sanitize their hands just in case, you know, just to keep things sanitize my hands as well. So I will be putting some in bottles, different bottles, traveling. And I bought this. Look at this seal. Just imagine if this one's spilled, and it's a top bottle. So this is the Equate Witch Hazel USP. So this is Witch Hazel It is a 16 flow ounce. It is for minor skin irritations, insect bites, minor cuts, minor scabs. So this is a good first aid kit to have in your house when you have kids and for yourself or on the go or whatever. But I really bought this for that purpose, as a first aid kit for any little incident that might happen, you never know. And also for cleaning my tools, like my brushes, everything like that, just getting things extremely clean before I put it back to back from client to client, if I can't get to do a deep clean of my brushes with water and soap and get them dry in time. So this is why I have this, and it's big enough so I can have some. And did buy something else, but I washed them already, and I just bought them in the store, which are some little bottles. I bought some little travel bottles, like let me put them back together. I already washed them and sand it with warm water and soap, and then I got some little tubes with them as well. So they came in this little pouch, travel pouch, and then it's like 3 bottles. This is a spray bottle, which this can definitely be used for the hand not the hand sanitizer, but for alcohol or the witch hazel. This for the hand sanitizer, and then this could use for a witch hazel or the alcohol as well. So yeah, and then these little babies, I'm thinking to like put some cream, so like the Pond's, I could put, like if I'm going for on the go, like a travel to destination makeup, I can put some of the Pond's, a little bit of the Pond's cream in here, because you don't need too much to prep the skin. Well, based on the amount of people I'm traveling back and forth to. And I can put some of the Jergens in this. I can label them and whatever, so it's very cute, easy to travel with. And then you can put them in your little bag and have them separated from everything else. So guys, that's all I have so far for my kit. I do have more stuff on the way, guilty as charged. The other stuff that I have is from Juvia's Place, Walmart. Yeah, that's Walmart and Juvia's Place. I don't have no more Amazon stuff coming in yet, but I'm slowly building my kit, slowly building my studio to have everything ready for my clients and everything like that. Nothing tacky, just classy, just starting up. And I hope you guys support me. Please share my Instagram page, which is right here the whole time. That is my booking and client page, so please share that, please follow it. You never know who might be interested to get their makeup done by me. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned with me in this video, for watching my videos, for always supporting me. I do hope you like what I'm doing on my channel and everything, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye.